Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix compatible GPU problem. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First right click on Fortnite, go to properties, compatibility, and then enable those two options. And first option, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Now run compatibility troubleshooter, and after that all you have to do, just click try recommended settings and then click test program, and that's it. Now after that, just click next, and then you will find that your problem is fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step. Click here and type background apps, and then turn off all those applications in your background, and then go back, right click on your desktop, click NVIDIA control panel, and after that click use my preference, move it to performance and click apply, and then your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.